this guy wrap up. Yeah, they What's going on, y'all? Today we're going to be taking the X7 to a car meet today. We will be leaving the E92 today. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but I haven't started it since last time we fixed the last time we tried to see the boost issue. I will be working on that tomorrow. So we're not taking the E92 today. On my way now, as y'all can tell by the title, is AMG versus BMW. Hopefully the turnout's good. We're about to go see now. But from what it looks like online, it looks like everybody gonna pull up. I did take the E92, like I said. We still haven't found the boost leak. So that video should be coming out sometime this week too, because I do plan on getting that done. Be finding that boost leak soon as that smoke tester comes in. Honestly, I haven't seen many people driving Mercedes or like AMGs, C63s, you know, E63, the CLS 63. Hopefully we get some really clean Mercedes, because honestly I haven't been seeing that many. I've been seeing BMWs everywhere. They're becoming regular traffic. Yeah, so hopefully we see some nice AMGs out there. I'm already knowing we're gonna see some nice BMWs. And no hate to like the Mopar community, no hate to the import community. Everybody used to have like their own wave of cars. As y'all know, in this channel, we've been team BMW. What this channel's been about, and the huge inflation of BMW drivers has been crazy. I'm not gonna lie, and it's making us look bad, because every time you look up, they're doing crazy stuff. Like at the Gatlinburg, that meet that just went by, a whole bunch of BMWs, Mopars is like in the same category, and that's hard to say, bro. That's hard to see. So, but I mean, hopefully everybody's one day to go back to what they like. You got your Mopar. I've been seeing nice, clean GTRs right up the street, STIs, Evos. Car community used to be way better, bro. I think we need to get back to a car community rather than just a copy and paste, because like everybody just wants the fastest BMW, but it used to be the fastest car. Like I ran into an STI the other day, 800 wheel horsepower. There's so many cars out here that can keep up with a G80, but nobody wants to put the time into them. They just want to get a G80 and get it to them. Well, they don't even know you can do the same thing with a Mercedes. You can get a C63, get it to them, make the same horsepower. So, and a Hellcat, bro. You can upgrade the belt, 800 horsepower. But like everybody wants to be team BMW, obviously, because it's viral. But hey man, it is what it is. I support all the creators. Just hate that it had to get like watered down like that, you know. But yeah, that's my little spill on that whole situation. I got a Turbo S right here. First car we didn't see. It's not a Porsche meet, but the Turbo S is hard. Some sick cars here. Damn, this X3, I'm tough. I'm 5. Oh, this is the wagon we seen at the last video. 17. Yeah, this is the wagon that was at Nopi with BBS's. Nice little M4. This M4 is clean. Red brake calipers, G80. Looking at them in person, I mean, honestly, the F80 is a little bit more curvier. What y'all think? This G80 tough. I like this G80 a lot. This bitch clean. You honestly don't even have to change the wheels on these at all. Laser headlights. Look at this. Look at this Benz right here. It's the first Benz I've seen in the meet all day. Everything is BMW. Another Benz, actually. Another one. This one's nice. I think honestly this is the best AMG here. I get this one in first place as far as the AMG goes. Oh, my boy got the gap cam on the back. I wonder if he gapping shit though. This part right here look like some Skittles. 135, Brooper. This shit tough. Got the red lights. F10. I ain't said F10 in forever, bro, but I still like these motherfuckers. If you know, you know. Shit's clean. My boy got parts in the back. Another G82. This spec right here is my favorite spec so far. One of my favorite BMWs, just because of the interior. That good thumbnail.
I like them colors.
And this color is tough. That's nice. He got the Vorsteiner front. It's a rare. This might be the best AMG here. Is it a CLK? It's just tough. Damn, those wheels is nasty. No. Oh, he's erupting. This AMG is a wide body. It's really rare. It's a CLK 63. They didn't make that many of them. Another C63. Another G80. Red interior. Is that? It's like a kid. Am I tripping? Damn. This right here, the M2, that shit hard. This the M4 right here, and that's the M2. Shit tough. This shit low as a motherfucker. This shit super low. But it's bag. How much would cut the car or the bags? No, the bag. Like 3 bands. Damn. My boy got the Vorsteiner wing. This wing alone, like 3 bands. Damn, carbon buckets.
But I mean, obviously,
Bro, look at it. He got the blue interior in that thing. That shit tough. God damn, they started revving up. Yeah, they go. This shit. Oh, this shit on. Somebody peeled this guy a wrap off. That's fucked up, bro. That's why, yeah. They about to start shooting in a minute, so I might as well get the fuck on. I tell you. This color is like one of my favorite colors on the BMW. This color is sick. Yes, that's nice. Damn, that's hard. Hard X6M. Oh, he got a big turbo in that bitch. Damn. It's big single turbo. Got the red in there. Damn, this shit. This is my favorite M3. He got the carbon fiber fenders on there and the carbon fiber look. Oh, he got the wing too. This shit hard. Red, coral red. GT3 wing. Did they make M3 comps in this year? If not, that's kind of hard. Which one? Yeah, that's hard. That's what I was when me and Trey was trying to get you to oh yeah, I don't know if I introduced y'all to my boy. It's my boy Deron.
Okay.
I'm trying to get him to get a BMW, so
We'll see.
come over to the team. This you right here.
Shit is playing.
When me and Trey was trying to get you to get a BMW, we were talking about you getting the M4. This shit fit you.
Oh yeah.
They fast too. See this is M4, but the new one, remember the one you like the grill?
Yeah.
That's the newer version of this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Pretty much this one right here. This will be the newer version of that one.
Okay. I do fuck with it.
That shit
This
tough.
is like different, but
This is CSL.
what is that?
This one costs about. Guess how much this one costs? How much would you guess?
80.
Yeah, but this is CSL. This one was like almost 200. This one is like 150 right now. This is a new M5. This one 150. You believe that? Yeah, it's the new M5. So the one I just showed you.
Yeah.
This one came out 2025. You can hear the turbos on the back of that. I seen this shit on TikTok. That's funny. Shit nice. Yeah, the street could these niggas. It went Blackwing just sitting over here like this. This shit hard. This Blackwing harder than any bands that pulled up. Alright, y'all, we just now leaving the meet. About to head back to the crib. I appreciate everybody. If y'all still watching the video, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all comment down below which BMW or Mercedes was your favorite car. It really was BMW versus everybody. So my favorite car outside of BMW had to be the Blackwing. I like the Blackwing a lot. Super dope car. And obviously the G90 and the F90s were my favorites. So yeah, y'all. Yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.